In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend in an Excel chart. A legend is the small key that explains what each color or marker in your chart represents. It's essential for readability, especially when you're comparing multiple series in one chart. Let's walk through the simplest, most reliable way to turn it on and make sure it shows up exactly where you want it. First, make sure you already have a chart on your worksheet and that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around the chart and small handles at the corners. When a chart is active, Excel reveals a handy shortcut called the Chart Elements button. It looks like a green circle with a white plus sign, and it typically appears at the upper right edge of the chart area. Click that plus sign icon. This opens a small panel listing common chart elements you can show or hide, such as axes, data labels, grid lines, and of course, the legend. If you don't see the plus sign, click once directly on the chart area to activate it. The icon won't appear if nothing is selected. Next, find the option labeled Legend in that Chart Elements panel and click it. As soon as you check it, Excel adds a legend to your chart. By default, it might appear on the right side, but you can quickly adjust it. Hover over the word Legend in the panel and use the small arrow that appears to choose a position like right, top, left, or bottom. Pick the spot that keeps your data clear and uncluttered. If your chart is small, placing the legend at the top or bottom often works best. If your chart is wide, the right side can be ideal. If the legend text looks confusing, it usually means your series names need a quick cleanup. Make sure your series labels in the source data are descriptive so the legend reads well. You can also resize the chart to give the legend more breathing room, and if any labels wrap awkwardly, try a different legend position. A quick tip for maintenance. You can toggle the legend on or off at any time by selecting the chart, clicking the plus sign again, and checking or unchecking the legend option. This is perfect when you need extra space temporarily while you fine-tune other elements. That's all there is to it. Select your chart, click the plus sign, and turn on legend. With those two clicks, your audience will instantly understand what each color or line represents, and your chart will be much easier to read.